Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome in your English class. Dear student, today we are going to learn forms of verb. Word ask, meaning पूछना. Second form asked. Third form asked. Ask, asked, asked. Word break, meaning टूटना. Second form broke. Third form broken. Break, broke, broken. Word come, meaning आना. Second form cam. Its third form come. Come, cam, come. Word drink, meaning पीना. Second form drank. Third form drunk. Drink, drank, drunk. Word eat, meaning खाना. Second form ate. Third form eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Word find, meaning मालूम करना. Second form found. Third form found. Find, found, found. Word go, meaning जाना. Second form went. Third form gone. Go, went, gone. Word help, meaning मदद करना. Second form helped. Third form helped. Help, helped, helped. Word invite, meaning दावत देना. Second form invited. Third form invited. Invite, invited, invited. Word joke, meaning मजाक करना. Second form joked. Third form joked. Joke, joked, joked. Word kill, meaning मारना. Second form killed. Third form killed. Kill, killed, killed. Word learn, meaning सीखना. Second form learn. Third form learn. Learn, learned, learned. Word make, meaning banana. Second form made. Third form made. Make, match, match. Word need, meaning ज़रूरत होना. Second form needed. Third form needed. Need, needed, needed. Word open, meaning खोलना. Second form opened. Third form opened. Open, opened, opened. Word play, meaning खेलना. Second form played. Third form played. Play, played, played. Word read, meaning पढ़ना. Second form read. Third form read. Read, read, read. Word sing, meaning गाना. Second form sang. Third form sung. Sing, sang, sung. Word tag, meaning लेना. Second form took. Third form taken. Take, took, taken. Word use, meaning इस्तेमाल करना. Second form used. Third form used. Use, used, used. Word visit, meaning सैर करना. Second form visited. Third form visited. Visit, visited, visited. Word write, meaning लिखना. Second form wrote. Third form written. Write, wrote, written. Dear student, your homework is memorize these forms of verb from your grammar fair. Dear student, your homework is memorize these forms of the verb with the spelling from your grammar fair copy. Hope you understand. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.